Juan Carlos, mi hermano. No. Me gustas tú, Miguel. Me gustas tú. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué?
Blast! Dr. Kibbles?
Yes, Ronald.
Take Juan Carlos to your laboratory. See what can be done with the boy.
I'll do my best. Or my worst.
Right. Hey, boss.
Sal, we went over this. Well, meaning you don't disturb me, alright?
I know, but it's Miguel, boss. He wants to see it. Oh, Jesus. Alright, send him in.
Mr. Boss, gracias for seeing me today. Now, as I'm sure you know, mi amigo Juan Carlos was killed by the hamster.
Yes, Juan Carlos was indeed a great man. He's in a better place now.
Si, Senor Boss, but that bastard is still out there. He has not paid for his sin.
Now hold on a minute, Miguel. What exactly are you trying to say here?
With all due respect, Senor Boss, I know who you are. I know that you know people who can...
Hold on a second, Miguel. Are you asking me to put a hit out on this hamster guy?
Si, Senor Boss.
Miguel, we've known each other for 5 years now. And not once have you invited me over for nuts and water, even though our wives are close friends. And now, on the day after Juan Carlos' death, you need my help. You think I'm going to just hand that to you? My loyalty isn't just a bowl of milk served to you by your owner. My loyalty is more like a fine wine. It costs a lot to obtain, but if treated properly, it gets better with age. Lenny!
Yeah, boss.
Get this guy out of here.
Wait, escucha. I know it's loco, Senor Boss, and I know that I have never showed you the proper respect, but it was never meant to offend you, Senor. Please, I don't know who else to turn to.
Alright, I'll show you mercy. I know the perfect guy for the job, but this isn't for you. It's for Juan Carlos, a brave soul and a fellow rodent.
Oh, gracias, Senor Boss, gracias.
Hey, Jimmy. Yeah, boss. You wouldn't happen to know where Nuts Verducci lives, eh? Yeah, he and my father grew up on the same tree together. Good. I want you to bring him here, tell him I sent you, and tell him I got one more job for him to take care of. Can you do that for me? Sure, no problem, boss. Hey, boss, why do they call him Nuts? I'll tell you why, Sal, because the guy's freaking nuts. He's a gabarost. It all started when we were young. What the hell, Sly? What's the matter with you, you jerk? You know you just killed? That's Jerry the freaking joke. Yeah, well, watch it to you, see? You know, Sly, it ain't nothing to me except for the fact that Jerry the joke is a made freaking squirrel. They're gonna kill you, and then they're gonna kill me. Yeah, well, I'd like to see him try. And that's the day Sly Verducci became Nuts Verducci. I ended up having to talk to Jerry's associates on behalf of Sly to stop him from killing us. They ended up taking a liking to me. Ironically, it was Sly killing Jerry the joke that got me made. Ah, Sal, you freaking jerk. If you weren't my brother-in-law's cousin's aunt, stepfather's nephew's son, mio signore, you'd be sleeping with the fishes so fast it'd make your head spin.
What?